This 2022 Coachmen Apex Nano 194 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Brownstown Township, Michigan, 48192 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.